That's what I make when I receive unexpected visitors at my house. Start slicing an apple this way, as you can see on the video, okay guys? There's no secret, super simple and fast to make, and you have no idea how delicious and yummy it is. The visitors always get surprised with that. Now, using something rounded that you can cut the middle of it, we are going to do it like this, okay? It's gonna be like donuts, as you can see. Now in a frying pan, we are going to brush some butter on it, some sugar as well. And now let's put all of these slices, okay? This way. In another bowl, let's add 1 egg, 1/4 cups of sugar, and beat them very well until it turns to this. Then 1/2 cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, and continue mixing it until it's all together. Then let's add 1 cup of flour. Now guys, we're going to mix it until it's all homogeneous, and then just add the baking powder and vanilla essence. And our batter is already done. Now let's put it all over the apple this way, as you can see, okay? And now let's just spread it for all over the corners and take it to the stove, okay? You have to cover it in a low heat, and we are going to let it there from 3 to 4 minutes. When you see that it's brown on the bottom, you just have to turn it around using the cap, okay? And then fry it on the other side. Be very careful, guys, and gentle, okay? Let's let it fry on the other side, okay? Not fry, but cook, right? And always in low heat. And after some more 5 minutes, our batter is already done. To guarantee that it's cooked inside, you just have to make the test with a stick. And look how beautiful it is, guys. Besides being beautiful, it is very cute as well. You can let it even more beautiful, putting some sugar on top of it. And guys, you have no idea how delicious it is. This apple pie, apple cake is delicious and super easy to make. I make it in just 10 minutes, talking to my visits, interacting to them, and I prepare it in 10 minutes. Different from other cakes that it has to be on the oven for 40 minutes. This is different. It gets ready in just 10 minutes. You don't even need to wait for it, okay? Make it at your house for you that you're gonna love it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and see you guys. Bye.